noobs. So we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. Reasons why crying during or after sex is completely normal. Crying after sex is known as postcoital dysphoria (PCD) or occasionally postcoital tristes or PCT. PCD symptoms may include tearfulness, sadness, and irritability after consensual sex, even if it was perfectly satisfying. What may be the causes? Happiness, being overwhelmed by your body's response. Intense physical sexual pleasure can definitely overwhelm, and it is not surprising that you would cry. Conversely, you might be overwhelmed by your body's lack of response. If you have been looking forward to great sex and don't get enough ending you want, you might be frustrated and tense enough to cry. Biological response. It may be due to hormonal changes that happen during sex, which can lead to intense emotions. Pain. There are many reasons you might experience pain with sex. Painful intercourse is called dyspareunia, which includes pain during or after intercourse due to lack of lubrication, trauma or irritation of the genitals, urinary tract or vaginal infection, eczema or other skin conditions near the genitals, vaginal muscle spasms called vaginismus, and congenital abnormalities. Anxiety. Crying is a natural reaction to stress, fear, and anxiety. When you are feeling anxious in general, it is hard to put that aside to have sex. Your body may be going through the motions, but your mind is elsewhere. You might find yourself in tears over it. Shame or guilt. There are a lot of reasons you might feel such shame or guilt over sex that it makes you cry. At some point in your life, someone may have told you that sex is inherently bad, especially in certain contexts. You don't have to buy into these theories to have them pop into your head at inopportune moments. Depression. If you find yourself crying frequently, it could be the sign of depression or other mental health condition that should be addressed. Other signs of depression can include sadness, frustration, irritability or anger, anxiety, difficulty in sleeping, restlessness or fatigue, loss of concentration or memory, appetite changes, unexplained aches and pains, loss of interest in normal activities including sex. What to do if you cry? For physical pain or discomfort, just prior to, during or after sex, see a doctor. Many causes of this type of pain are treatable. If your answers point towards emotional issues within the relationship or in the bedroom, here are a few things to try. Give it time. Go over these questions again in the next day when you have some time to yourself and can fully explore your feelings. Talk to your partner. Working on relationship issues can clear the air and enhance your sex life. Talk about sex. Discuss your sexual likes and dislikes. Be careful not to criticize, but to encourage sharing of feelings and ideas with the intention of enriching your sexual experiences. It can be awkward, but it's worth doing. Thank you all. Have a nice day.